Hi you guys, I'm Future Flow. Today I'm going to tell you how to record your voice on Premiere Pro. Sometimes you need to record your voice on the video that you already recorded before. In the situation, you need to use your microphone to record on software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. But I usually use Premiere Pro, so I'll tell you how to make it. So let's get it. Let's get down to the business, and this is a Premiere Pro. As you can see, and I already opened up one video clip with the background music. This is Las Vegas. My wife and I visited there a year ago for wedding anniversary. That was great. So on this video clip, I want to record my voice over this video. So first thing you need to do is go to the edit button and preferences, and where is it? Yeah, audio hardware. Click it. And there's a pop-up. It's just what you need to check is this one, default input. Here you need to check whether your mic is linked or not. This is my mic set, so I think this is right. So you need to check it out like this. And next you need to go to audio setup. And just one thing you need to care is this one, mute input during the timeline recording. If you do not check box on here, your voice is going to be recorded to your speaker back, so it causes lots of buzzing sound and noisy. So you should actually check it out, this box. Okay. And the next one is there's a wrench icon. As you can see, you click it, and this one. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, this one, and customized audio header. So you drag out some icons out to your audio channel. This one, voice over record, I already drag out, and another one is this one, track meter here. So two icons you should drag out to your audio channel. Okay, and now your file, your icon should be like that, and then you click right mouse button here, and you can click a voice over record setting. This one, and now as I say something, there is some, decibel goes up and down. And this one, countdown sound cues. There's sounds for cueing, but maybe I don't like it. So, and next one, pre-roll 3 seconds. There's a pre-roll 3 seconds from the spot you want to record. For example, I want to record here, and then I click this record button, go back to 3 seconds, backward, and now. Oh, this is how you record your voice over the video. For example, yes, here like that. As you can see, there is one more voice channel, audio channel here. So, this is how you record your voice over the video. Yeah. This is a very piece of cake. It's very easy things you can do it. So next time I want to tell you how to make the sounds harmonize with your audio background music. Yes, this is it. I hope that this video clip helped you out when you're recording your voice on Premiere Pro. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you like it. Thank you for watching this video clip, and see you later. Bye bye.